Hello YouTube, this is the Too Cools 2. Gonna show you a live weather, a winter weather update with the storm that's in New York City, February 9th through 11th, 2010. The snow's getting real heavy now in the afternoon, and it's a heavy snow. It's windy. It's very cold. It got colder than before, so you see here, made a little thing like those garbage trucks. Actually works. You have to hold the handle though when you're in it. So I'll put a video of me using it. So I'll put a link in my description. You go over there and see how it works. So I'm gonna go show you the depthness of the snow where it was untouched. Now this idiot's gonna don't want to touch it. Just mind your business. I hate when people are nosy. Goes, mind your damn business. But twice I'm recording this video and ask you, excuse, will be closed tomorrow? Come on, you mind your business. See me recording, don't ask me that. Hey, you see the depth of snow, this one's on top. I mean, anyway, look here. Wow. Now that's about 5 inches. It's gonna go on all day. Oh, it's getting heavier. So, and it's a very sticky snow. When you make a snowball, just take it, throw it in a snowball. Look, you just cut it, it's a snowball. So, it's not really a ball, I'm saying. Okay, stay tuned for more weather updates right here.